Lobbyists from the Kenya Pharmaceutical Distributors Association KPDA, under the chairmanship of Isaac Kamame Wamurishu, have filed a petition in court to prevent the Anti-Counterfeit Agency ACA from enacting regulations that will prohibit importation of generic medications through the implementation of the Intellectual Property Rights IPR regulation. The deadline for the move was originally set for July this year, but the ACA extended it by 6 months until January 1st, 2023. KPDA, under the first petitioner, claims in an affidavit that the ban on the trade generic medications by ACF, who is the first respondent, the Attorney General as the second respondent, and the Trade Cabinet Secretary the third respondent, violates a number of constitutional rights and will prevent majority of Kenyans from accessing affordable medication. The Pharmacy and Poisons Board (PPB) and the Kenya Industrial Property Institute (KIPI) have been mentioned as interested parties. In order to combat illicit trade, ACA intends to create a database of intellectual property information for goods imported into the country for commercial purposes. This means that if a brand owner whose trademarks are already registered under the Trademarks Act imports the same goods without having the brand associated with them, they are breaking the law. As it expressed its concerns about the recording of its members who are licensed by the PPB to distribute medicines, KPDA insisted that the move is likely to create unnecessary bottlenecks and stifle trade and protect well-known brands that have intellectual property rights, particularly in medicines and pharmaceutical products, with the effect of violating the ACA economic rights and consumer rights of the general public. In their submissions, the move by ACA has been criticized by lobbyists as being irresponsible toward the intellectual property rights of medicines with a shelf life that expires 20 years after their registration of the intellectual property rights, despite the fact that the generic versions of branded products offer the same level of quality, safety and efficiency as the original products, which have undergone testing and received PPB market approval. Stanley Lugaria, The Informer, uncovering the truth.